Kenya hamoneri ya USA NIGO yaenekirie Kobwaterana sorongoro AFRIKA MOCHA unenchiremo yogochiago gotinya Oborendi ase ENSEMO yokurwania ababegu aboge bikore bikoboria Oborendi ase ENSEMO iga aya nigagocha maiga yokobekwa riginario musingi asoko igora enchera ya Banda Bay eyue kutoka ase ENSEMO ya county ya Lamu. Mwaziri Omonene Musalia Mudavadi, mwaziri otendrete Oborendi bose defense Mheshimiwa Rosalinda Soipantuya nomokonyi bo omurikie hase department ya US Christopher Landau negati yaparai bari baikirana sensemeyo unenchiremo yogotinya okwenekia Oborendi mbochiko kongi gwa sensemeiga erinde kobatuguterare ababego.
It is a huge honor for me to be here today at the groundbreaking of this truly historic runway project. Let me just underscore that we in the United States are very grateful to Kenya for allowing us to be here alongside you and participate in this project. As the General just noted, these security challenges are ones that we share. We're on the same side. This is really an attack on our civilization. And we have to show those who would attack us that we are resolved to defend ourselves.
To the Kenyans who are here and who are witnessing what we are doing today, this is an asset supported by the Americans, working with the Kenyans, and the Americans will not upgrade it and take it to another destination. It will continue to be an asset in this country, a piece of infrastructure for security and for supporting the economy.
Prolonged political fragility in parts of the Horn of Africa continues to generate displacements, insecurity, illicit flows, and transnational threats that demand coordinated and collective responses. Kenya and the United States have long worked together to address these evolving security challenges. And our partnership has especially been critical in countering violent extremism, enhancing maritime security, safeguarding critical sea lines of communication, and supporting regional stability operations.